Now, my fourth commitment, as you know, the first commitment is promotion of sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. The second commitment is promotion of religious harmony. Third commitment is the preservation of Tibetan knowledge, or Tibetan knowledge which comes from Nalanda. So therefore, then the fourth now commitment is I'm trying to revival of ancient Indian knowledge in this country. So India, only India can do combination of modern technology, modern education, modernization, plus education about inner world. No other country except India. So now that potential, I think you should utilize, you should explore. Right? So my fourth commitment now is try to revive it. And another word, the chela of ancient Indian teacher, Indian guru. 1,000 years we kept. Now time come to re-educate our guru.